Nepal's energy future depends on overcoming its rugged landscapes, remote areas, and frequent natural disasters, which challenge the creation of a reliable electrical grid and call for advanced wiring solutions for efficient power distribution. To meet these demands, Litmus Industries Limited introduces Nepal's first medium voltage XLPE-covered conductor, engineered to increase current capacity, reduce load loss, and ensure reliable, durable performance. Crafted with precision-engineered aluminium alloy stranding, fortified with horizontal water tightness and water-blocking technology to ensure resilience in any environment. Our advanced triple extrusion process adds 3 specialized layers, enhancing insulation, cross-linking, and erosion resistance. Using Sikora technology and an online spark tester, we ensure precise diameter, thickness, and insulation quality throughout the conductor. The conductor undergoes deep water curing at controlled temperatures of 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, enhancing flexibility and durability through uniform cross-linking. We conduct rigorous tests, including anti-tracking and erosion resistance. Our diameter testing ensures every conductor meets exacting standards. Through triple-layer eccentricity, we align each layer precisely, enhancing durability and performance. Ensuring strength in every fiber, our hot set testing verifies the XLPE insulation's resilience, crafted for Nepal's evolving energy needs. A slippage test ensures insulation bonding remains secure under mechanical stress. Every conductor is packed in durable wooden drums, thoroughly inspected and prepared for dispatch. As Nepal's hydropower capacity grows, exporting energy to neighbors like India and Bangladesh, we proudly support the journey toward true energy independence. Our 11 to 33 kV conductors reduce reliance on imports, strengthening Nepal's self-sufficiency. As the nation's first medium voltage covered conductor, we exceed global standards with EN 50397 and IS 398 certifications type-tested in India. Engineered with fire-resistant XLPE insulation and backed by a production capacity of 20,000 km, Litmus Cables stands as Nepal's trusted path to a safer, self-reliant energy future. Litmus, Nepal's largest manufacturer of wires, cables and conductors.